Hey guys, we're playing some more Truck Mania 2. So as you can see, I already completed level 13, but now I'm on level 14 and got the last truck somehow because I just completed the halfway game. Okay, level 14. Well, level 14 is like level 2, but instead of a tractor, we're just pulling a car trailer, with a car on trailer. So I am just going to make my way to the finish. Now up. Okay. Wow, the car just landed on top of me, and the trailer's just horsing around on its side. I mean front. Wow, that trailer really likes to horse around. Okay. Up the hill. Okay. Okay, I think the finish line should be near. Alright, go. Oh no! Okay, I'm back at the part where I just failed. There's no way I'm gonna lose this time. Okay. We're making it. Okay, we made it. Oh. Okay. Level 15 should not be hard. Okay. Because my cap is taller. Because this cap is taller. Okay. That didn't go well as I expected. So anyway, when I attempt to record the first time, my microphone wasn't working. I didn't even expect that to happen. Okay. Steep hill. Okay. That almost fell out, but now we just restored it. Okay, go. Oh my God! Okay, that was close. Okay, up. The finish should be there. The finish should be there. Okay, there it is. There's the finish. Okay, that's what's good. Okay, level 16. How can a container just stay horizontally like this? Alright, I just did a wheelie. Alright, now we will roll down the hill. Wow! Oh my god! We're in the cave again. I think this looks like the cave from my first part. How do you get this container in? Oh no, we better go to serious mode? But I thought my container was just sticking out there. Okay. This terrain is good for my vehicle. Okay. Oh my god. I made it! Yay! Alright, level 17. Wait, it's that roller from level 2. Oh my god, he's so slow! Alright, now we should make a good start, and while that roller is just off to a bad start. And let's go. Subscribe to the channel because I just I would like you guys to subscribe. It's free. Alright, now we're just going past the trees, and I'm not sure if there's rocks in the road. I think this level looks like 5. Wait, what? Is that a... Ow! Wait, that was a wall! That was a 4th wall!
All the king's horses and all the king's men! Couldn't put the 4th wall back together again!
Oh my god, I better hurry because that steamroller's just coming for my butt. Okay. Over the wall! Over the broken 4th wall! Wait, what? Wow! Oh my god! That wall tricked me! Okay, there's the 4th wall again. The 4th wall's just broken.
All the king's horses and all the king's men! Couldn't put the 4th wall back together again!
Oh no. Over the wall. No. Just over the wall. No, over the 4th wall. No. We're not letting that steamroller crush me. That is final. Okay. Over the rocks in the road. Rocks in the road. And I just lost some health. How dare myself. Okay, to the finish. And I made it. Hooray. Alright, level 18. Alright, I'm gonna end my video until I complete level 18 somehow. Alright. Okay. Wait, what? How am I supposed to get this back in its proper place? Wow! Oh my god, seriously? We're just gonna complete level 18. Only if I just get it right. My god! Come on! We can do better than that. Only if we're gonna get it right. Oh my god. We're not letting this board fall off. Oh wait, wow! Oh my gosh, it just flew on top of us. You board back in there. That does it. We're not letting that board fall out this time. Okay, slow down. That's the part where we slow down. Okay, where's the finish? It should be around here. Okay! Alright, let's just end the video there. Okay, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Now it's time for me to end the video. Now consider subscribing. Please subscribe. I really would appreciate it. Now make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and also I'll see you in the next part. Bye.